Today I am going to teach you division of fractions. Prior, I have taught you the addition, subtractions and multiplication of fractions. So we will continue with the division of fractions. Now, first we have to know the reciprocal of a fraction. Now, what is reciprocal of a fraction? Now, we want to find out the reciprocal of a fraction 2 by 3. So, number 1, these are the examples. Number 1, reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Just invert. Bring this denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. So this becomes reciprocal. So 3 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2 by 3. Now second one is reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Number third, reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1. But we don't write 5 by 1, we write only 5. So that is, it is equal to 5. So reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. Then another example, reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. Since 7 equals to 7 by 1. So 7 by 1, so it becomes 1 by 7. So in this way, we can find the reciprocal of whole numbers. Number 5, another example. I'll cite you another example. Reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. Now we will come to division of fractions. Next is division of fractions. So the rule for division of fractions is A by B divided by C by D. So in this case, we have to change the division sign into multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of this fraction C by D, which comes D by C. Now you multiply the numerator to numerator, A into D upon B into C. So this is the rule. We will follow this rule and I'll show you a few examples. Example. Simplify 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 6. So in this case, solution 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 6, which is equal to 4 by 9. Change this sign into multiplication sign, division sign into multiplication sign, and get the reciprocal of 5 by 6 as 6 by 5. Now numerator into numerator, 4 into 6 divided by 9 into 5, denominator into denominator. Now cancel. 3 3 is a 9, 3 2 is a 6. Now no more, you can't cancel anymore, so multiply 4 into 2, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 4 2 is 8 and 3 by 15. This is the answer. Another example is 5 by 7 divided by 10. So solution, come to solution. 5 by 7 divided by 10, which is equal to 5 by 7. Change this into multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of 10 as 1 by 10. Now multiply the numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So cancel 5 and 10, you can cancel. Divide 5 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and 7 into 2 is equal to 14. This is the answer. So this is another example. Let us have another example, third example. Now example third, we will take mixed fractions. Now 5 whole 3 by 5 divided by 2 whole 1 by 10. Solution. Now 5 whole 3 by 5 divided by 2 whole 1 by 10. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction first. 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 5, 25 plus 3, 28 upon 5 divided by 10 to 20 plus 1, 21 upon 10. Now let us find the reciprocal of, change this sign first, into and find the reciprocal of 21 by 10, which is equal to 10 by 21. Now first you multiply 28 into 10 and 5 into 21. Now cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now by 7 you can divide both these 28 as well as 21. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. Now no more cancelling. So we will multiply numerator. Numerators, find the product of the numerators and the product one of the denominators. 4 2s are 8 by 3, which is equal to, divide 8 by 3, you get 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, so 2 whole 2 by 3, 2 whole 2 by 3, you write the answer in mixed fraction. Then simplify. So we will find further 5 whole 4 by 7 divided by 13 by 14. So solution, 5 whole 4 by 7 divided by 13 by 14. So write it into improper fraction. 7 5s are 35 plus 4, 39 by 7, and convert this into and find the reciprocal of 13 by 14, which is 14 by 13. Now you multiply numerators 39 into 14 and denominators 7 into 13. You cancel. 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14. 13 1s are 13, 13 3s are 39. So this is 3 into 2 and this is 1 into 1, 6 by 1, which is equal to 6. This is the answer. One more problem. This is 6. Sum 36. Divide 36 by 6 whole 2 by 3. Now solution, 36 divided by 6 whole 2 by 3, 36 by 1 you can write into 6 3s are 18, 3 6 are 18 plus 2, 20 upon 3. So 36 into 20 and 1 into 3. So you cancel 33, 36 and by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 12 3s are 36. So 12 into 20 and 1 into 1 is 1. 12 into 20, 1 into 1. Now multiply. 12 2s are 24 and 1 0. You put straight away, you write 240 by 1. That is equal to 240. the answer. So in this way you can solve this sum. Now you see the following sums. You please note down. Yes, please. The question number 1, 1 to 4. Question number 2, 1 to 9. Question number 3, 1 to 6. These are the questions you will try to solve. Then after that you will come across with the word problems. Till then you practice these following exercises.